Here's my keto version of Greek moussaka. That looked delicious. Here's my keto version of Greek moussaka. I'm using Chinese eggplants today from the global bucket. I'll do a video on the global bucket. And you can see what the Chinese eggplant looks like. And basically what you do is you peel it, slice it into half-inch slices, put it on a tray, and put olive oil on it and some salt. And we're going to go 450 degrees in the oven or the grill just to kind of cook it and put some color into it. So I pre-did that. You can see what it looks like there. I've since turned the heat down to 350 degrees, so that's preheating. I've got this pan preheating, and the ingredients for this are below in the comments section. So I've got some fresh ground chuck, 80-20 mix, and some lamb. The lamb adds a really nice flavor. So we're just going to brown this up. I'm going to add in my spices. I've got oregano, cumin, ground coriander, cinnamon, that's the secret spice for moussaka, and some fresh ground pepper. I'm just going to put this in with the meat. Some onion, some chopped onion, and some garlic. A couple of cloves of garlic. We'll just saute that till it's translucent. Just sauteed. It won't take long. This is kind of evaporating. Oh, that smells good now. If you've never tried moussaka, you have to try it. It's like lasagna actually, but just a little different with the eggplant. Now, in a separate bowl, I'm going to add in a 454 container of full-fat ricotta cheese. 2 beaten eggs. And a half cup of heavy whipping cream. And we'll just stir that together. Got 15 ounces of tomatoes. I'm using San Marzano tomatoes. That's about the best tomato that you can get. Really low in carbs and delicious. And they're kind of chopped or diced or cubed or... We're just going to heat that up. That's smelling really good now. That's well combined. Now I'm going to take a 9x9 pan and I'm going to lay the cooked eggplant in the bottom. Just line the bottom. There, I like that. Now this mixture is nice and warm now. I'm going to pour it on top of the eggplant. There, I managed to get most of it in. Now I'm going to put the rest of the eggplant, the other half, on top. I'm going to go in the opposite direction too. Okay, my temperature is right at 350 degrees, which is really good. Now I'm going to take this ricotta egg mixture with the heavy whipping cream and just put this right on the top. That looked good. This is good for 2 meals. Jennifer and I would eat half of this tonight, half another night. Now for the garnish on top, I'm going to put some shredded mozzarella on the top. Got about a cup. There you go, there's the mozzarella. You could put some roasted red peppers on, that's really good too. But I'm going to put some olives on. These are garlic stuffed olives. They're just kind of sliced up. Little pieces of garlic in there. There you go. Now I'm going to put a little tin foil on the top, kind of tent it a little bit. Just like this. Now I've got my grill set up 350 degrees. I'm going to be cooking indirect. So that means heat on this side, heat on that side, and nothing in the center. So I'll put this on right in the center here, and I'll set my timer for 30 minutes. It'll take 30 to 50 minutes. And if you don't want to go in your grill, you can go in the oven if you like. I'll check this in a few minutes. This moussaka turned out great. It's about as good as it gets right here. Look at this. That looked delicious. So that took 30 minutes and at 350 degrees, and then I took the tin foil off the top to kind of set the top up. So I'll let this sit for another 15, 20 minutes, and then we'll get into it. There you go. There's my keto version of Greek moussaka. Thanks for watching.